Welcome. Are you struggling to log into Roblox? Don't worry, you're not alone, and we've got you covered with some quick fixes. Let's dive into the steps that will help you resolve any login problems you might be experiencing. First, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Next, restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many issues. Third, make sure your Roblox app is up to date. Head over to the Google Play Store and check if you're using the latest version. The fourth step is to clear the cache and data. Go to Settings, then Apps, find Roblox, tap on Storage, and select Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Fifth, verify the app permissions. Navigate to Settings, then Apps, select Roblox, and check the Permissions section. Number 6. If you're using a VPN, try enabling or disabling it to see if that makes a difference. 7th, force stop and reopen Roblox. Go to Settings, then Apps, select Roblox, tap Force Stop, and then reopen the app. Finally, if none of that works, you can uninstall and reinstall Roblox from the Google Play Store. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any login problems you're facing. Happy gaming!